Sidney F.C.R. and welcome to another review video. In this review video of today we're gonna take a close look on this Bayern München 2013-2014 home jersey, the final, the Champions League final, customized with the Champions League patches of course, and Arjen Robben number 10 on the back. I bought this one from Uefa seller, so check the link in the description down below to find out who that seller is. This one is the fan version. Before we check this one out, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. For now, let's check this one out. That's this Bayern Munich home jersey of 2013-2014, customized with the UEFA Champions League final in Wembley 2013. I really like this jersey. It was a must-have for me because Arjen Robben is one of my favorite Dutch players of all time, so it's really nice to have this jersey, especially because he was the man of the match during this final. So let me know what you guys think of this jersey. In the next clip I will show you how this jersey fits me. Once again, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel, way most videos on the way. Thanks for watching. See you next time.